Cheap Meals for Inflation Part 6. Tipping culture is completely out of control right now. So you know you would rather just make this carbonara and impress your significant other or whoever you're hooking up with for just. For an authentic carbonara, you would use guanciale, but to keep it cheap and have a similar taste profile, we are going to use bacon instead. Cut 2 to 3 bacon slices into thin strips as shown and add it to a pan on medium-high heat till it's cooked to your liking. Now separate the fat from the bacon and keep that to the side. Do not throw that fat away. It's time to separate the yolks from the eggs. I like to keep swapping the yolk between the two halves of the shell until all the whites have been separated. Add 2 yolks to a bowl and around half a cup of freshly grated pecorino romano cheese, or use grated parmesan if you want an easier option. Whole peppercorns are also important. Use around half tablespoon. You can use a pepper grinder or just crush them by hand using a mortar and pestle. Add a tiny bit of the bacon fat into this and mix it up. Now get your water boiling, add a large handful of salt and add your spaghetti for cooking. After the spaghetti is cooked for a few minutes, take a tiny bit of the pasta water and add it to the mixture slowly while simultaneously whisking. This ensures the eggs won't cook too fast and scramble. Once the spaghetti is cooked, add it to the same pan the bacon was cooking in. You do not need any heat on at this point. Add the mixture into the pan and 75% of the bacon and mix it thoroughly. Now keep adding the hot pasta water slowly while mixing it simultaneously till it's smooth and creamy as such. Twirl it up, put it on a plate, top it off with the remaining 25% of the bacon and any sauce and bacon fat left.